Picture this. You walk into a tattoo studio and leave with art that costs more than your neighbor's new sports car. Not 500, not 5,000, we're talking 50, 100,000, or more. For some of the world's biggest names, this is just another Tuesday. Today, we're diving into a world where ink is a status symbol. We'll reveal celebrities who spent more on tattoos than most people do on a house down payment. Why do they do it? What makes these tattoos so expensive? Stick around for our legendary #1 pick. Let's find out who turned their skin into a $1 million masterpiece. Let's kick things off with Angelina Jolie. Angelina's tattoos aren't just art, they're spiritual journeys. Many were done using ancient hand-poke techniques by master artists, not your average tattoo gun. Some sessions involve spiritual ceremonies with monks or spiritual leaders performing rituals before the ink even starts. Imagine incense, chanting, and a deep sense of connection before the first drop of ink. These artists are booked years in advance and work in total privacy, often in private villas or flown-in studios. That exclusivity comes at a serious price. A single spiritual session can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Her back alone is a gallery of sacred art, from Buddhist scripts to ancient symbols. Experts estimate her tattoo collection could easily exceed $300,000. This isn't just high-end ink, it's cultural art, spirituality, and exclusivity combined. For Angelina, these tattoos are protection, reminders, and spiritual safeguards. Each piece has personal meaning, from blessings for her children to symbols of past journeys. Factor in travel, rare artists, rituals, and privacy, and you're looking at a price tag most wouldn't believe. That's what makes her ink legendary. Next time you think about a little script on your wrist, remember, Angelina's body is a museum of global art and tradition. And it's worth a fortune. 18. Now, let's talk about someone who made his face a canvas. Post Malone. Face tattoos are a whole different ball game, no room for mistakes, and artists charge a premium. Post Malone has over 70 tattoos, including full body coverage and those signature facial designs. He goes to the best, artists who are celebrities themselves. Each session can cost thousands, especially for prime real estate like your forehead. Every tattoo tells a story, tributes to musicians, reminders to stay humble, or just because he's Post Malone. He's built an identity around his ink, instantly recognizable, not just for his music, but for his art. Add up the sessions, artist fees, custom designs, and privacy, and experts say his total investment could be over $200,000. That's the price of a Ferrari, on his face, arms, and legs. For Post Malone, tattoos are a statement, a way to stand out and express himself without saying a word. Because his tattoos are so iconic, they've become part of his brand. They're instantly recognizable and have made him even more famous. In a way, his tattoos have paid for themselves. So if you're worried about what your grandma will say about a little ink, remember, Post Malone is out here dropping six figures on tattoos that make him a legend. Alright, sports fans, you knew this one was coming. David Beckham. Beckham isn't just covered in tattoos, he's a walking timeline of his life. From full sleeves to massive back pieces, every inch tells a story. What makes his tattoos valuable isn't just the number but the scale and detail. His famous angel back piece alone can take over 20 hours and cost more than $25,000. Each tattoo is carefully planned, representing family, faith, or milestones in his career. You'll spot his children's names, tributes to Victoria, religious imagery, and inspirational quotes. It's a curated collection of his life's greatest moments. Working with top-tier artists means the best quality and the highest price. These artists are flown in, sessions are private, and security is tight. Touch-ups are a must, especially with all those shirtless photo shoots and soccer games. Keeping them fresh means more sessions, more time, and more money. Experts estimate Beckham's tattoos could easily exceed $200,000. That's the price of a supercar, right on his skin. But for him, it's about more than money. Every piece is a tribute to who he is. His tattoos are a living, breathing diary. Next time you see Beckham flexing his sleeves, remember, you're looking at a collection worth more than most homes. Now, let's move to someone who grew up in the spotlight. Justin Bieber. Justin's body is a moving canvas, covered in over 60 custom tattoos. A single large chest or back tattoo from a world-famous artist can cost $15,000 to $30,000. Justin only works with the best. Top-tier in-demand artists. That means premium fees every time. His tattoos range from religious symbols to massive chest pieces and seamless sleeves. Each one is unique, custom designed, and personal. With over 60 tattoos, the costs stack up fast. Add in booking entire studios, flying artists in, and keeping everything private, and the price climbs. Experts estimate his tattoo collection is worth well over $100,000. For Bieber, it's the cost of turning his life, his milestones, beliefs, and passions into permanent art. Every tattoo tells a story. His faith, his family, his journey from kid star to global icon. And because he's Justin Bieber, every piece becomes instantly iconic. Next time you see him on stage, shirtless, remember, you're looking at a walking investment in art and self-expression. Last but not least, let's talk about the queen herself, Rihanna. She's not just a music and fashion icon, her tattoos are meaningful, artistic, and iconic. One of her most famous tattoos is the Egyptian goddess Isis, inked under her chest. This piece is large, detailed, and deeply symbolic, done by a top celebrity tattoo artist. We're talking $10,000 to $20,000 for a single piece. With Rihanna, it's more than cost. Her tattoos are private affairs, scheduled in secret with only the most trusted artists. Add in custom designs, multiple sessions, and security, and the price keeps climbing. The Isis tattoo was a tribute to her beloved grandmother, a deeply emotional choice. For Rihanna, every tattoo is a story, a memory, a piece of her heart. She has a collection of tattoos by the world's best, each with its own story. Experts estimate her total tattoo investment is easily in the six-figure range. That's luxury with purpose, expressing who she is while honoring those she loves. Sometimes, the most valuable thing she's wearing is her own skin. When it comes to celebrity tattoos, it's not about the size, it's about the artist, privacy, exclusivity, and brand image. These stars aren't just getting tattoos, they're investing in status, and in the luxury world, status comes with a high price. A celebrity tattoo is more than ink. It's an experience, a statement of being one of a kind. In the world of fame, every detail matters, from the artist to the story behind the design. So, if you had unlimited money, would you spend $200,000 on tattoos or buy a supercar? Drop your answer in the comments. In celebrity culture, even your skin becomes a canvas of luxury. Sometimes the most expensive fashion statement is permanent. Thanks for watching.